The VEVOR 580-PSI Cordless Pressure Washer delivers powerful cleaning with its high-pressure mode, making it perfect for tackling tough stains on cars and paving stones. Weighing just 4.2 pounds, this lightweight power cleaner is easy to handle with one hand and is highly portable for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. The 6-in-1 nozzle and high-low pressure nozzle provide versatile cleaning options, making it suitable for a variety of tasks, including washing vehicles, fences, boats, and even watering the garden. With a 40-minute-long battery life and a 4.0 ampere-hour high-capacity battery, you can enjoy extended cleaning sessions without the worry of running out of power. The 19-foot hose with a filter basket allows you to draw water from any source, such as a bucket, pool, or river, making it extremely convenient for outdoor use. This pressure washer also includes a foam pot, which is perfect for foam washing and adds an extra layer of cleaning efficiency to your tasks.